Okay, Monty, like the topic that we have taken today, like how can we live for 100 years, right? Definitely, this is the first concern, that how can we live? And the second thing, how can we live but with a good health, right? I mean, you can't walk, you can't speak, you are only on your bed. So no matter you are living for 1,000 years, what will be the use of that? You are only the burden over other people, right? This is how no one wants to live, but we want to live. Along with that, how can we live for longer period with good health? At least we can walk, we can talk to the people, and also there are so many people. I have just taken this topic just because it's been more than a week. I have seen two and three videos. They are around 99 years, 90 years old, 95 years old, 80 years old, and you can too watch few videos on YouTube. Other people can also go and they can watch, and they are doing gym at that age, and they are equally healthy. Like I have seen 60-year-old person, 65-year-old person, 70-year-old person, they are looking better than those people's, right? So this is why the topic I have just taken today. So at least this is how we will be motivated towards, not motivated, but this is how we will aware that yeah, we can also do that thing. That's why the topic I have taken, that how can we live for 100 years? And it is possible just because other people are living. And not only they are living with good health. Yeah, they are living with good health. This is the main important thing. And one thing is common everywhere, no matter they are 100 years old, 90 years old, 80 years old. And a person who have a good health, the only thing the common, they are doing every single day exercise. This is the only thing they have. Definitely, like there are also so many other things like nutrition and the food that you are taking, and also other part, that how we live. If we live in a if we live our life in too much stress, this can also cause you a few disease, right? You won't live longer if you are every single day in a whole stress. But somehow if you know how to manage that, that will be good part. But here the thing that we are discussing, that only with the help of exercise. Like if we are doing every single day, and just go and see people who are 40 years old, 50 years old, there are so many examples in our India too, right? Not only in other country. They look like us, a 25-year-old guy. Take example of Sandeep Maheshwari also. I mean, definitely you would tell me he's a kind of another person, but still he's a person. He's a right. And not only Sandeep Maheshwari, there are so many actors, and there are so many normal people, very very normal people. I mean, they don't have enough money to eat very very good thing. They are eating normal thing, but what they are doing exercise. What I have seen, right? The main most important thing, there are also so many monks who are living more than 100 years, and there is only one thing, that they are doing yoga exercise. This is the only thing. I mean, this is the most priority wise, more than 80%. Eating good food, that is also important. I mean, at least if we are not eating good food, don't eat rubbish food. That is not good for your health. Just only by seeing, and we all know what are rubbish and what is good. So this is how we can control. But the main thing is still we are consuming so much food. But along with that, if we started some of the exercise part, I think this is from my side only, that if we are doing every single day exercise, you will live longer than any, I mean, your normal age. If just imagine, if you have a two life, in one life you have done exercise every single day, and in one life you haven't did exercise, only living like we are normally living, getting up early in the morning, going for job, then in the evening you are at home, and we are taking our dinner, lunch, all those things, and then we go to bed, right? And after that we are again coming and we are doing the same thing. So this is how if we are living, and another person who is doing just 1 hour, half an hour exercise every single day, believe me, I'm pretty sure that he will live longer than any other person. Now there are so many things other people can tell us, that if the person is got accident, all those things, we are not talking about that scenario. We are talking the normal scenario. If person lives, there is no an, uh, there is no another cause for his death, right? Then definitely he will live longer than a normal person. This is what I have seen. At least this is how we will be, better position, or we will be in a good place. That, yeah, at least the chances will be more, the higher, the more higher chances. And you looks also good, the main thing, like we all want, always look like a kid, or a good body shape, everything, a face also, right? There is only one thing, that is exercise. No matter you are doing at gym or at your home, you equally do the same exercise at the gym, at home also. So don't worry about that, I'm a girl, I'm a woman, I can't go for gym. It's a only bullshit, and also it's a excuse in your mind. You can equally do at your home. Even you can just simply jump the rope, right? You can use jumping rope. That is more than enough for any people to be active every single day. And even you don't need to purchase the rope all the time, you have at your home whatever you want. So the main thing, the main agenda from my side, the exercise, what I have seen, I mean, that is awesome. If we are somehow applying exercise in our daily life, that will change your entire life. And not only the last part, that you will live longer, but also every single day life. At that time you will be feel more and more energetic and more confident, right? This is all from my side for now. Yeah, Monty, you can now, what do you think about it? How can we live more with good health?
Yeah, good evening, guys.
Yeah.
So, like, health is the most important thing. Like, it is the one of the most important thing in life. If we are not
Hmm.
healthy, or we say if we are like obese guy, then we can't do the certain activities, and we have a kind of fear, and there is a plenty of welcome for the many diseases. Because if we are obese guy, then first of all we are not able to move properly. We are not enough flexible to do certain activities, or we easily tired by doing a small workout. So
Yeah.
what we have to do, like Dhruv had mentioned, that exercise is the most important thing that you can do. Although it is not like, if you're not able have a plenty of money, like you're not able to go gym, then you have the kind of source, like you have the mobile, in which you can look out some of the videos of certain persons, or
Yeah.
we say the yoga instructors, and you can do
Plenty
these
of videos
exercise
are
at
out
home.
there. Plenty of videos are out there, and that is more than enough.
And there are certain, like, you daily have to take the protein and carbohydrate in your diet. And like, it is the thing that you don't have to, like, you have to take less amount of sugar, because it is the most I think sweetest thing that we like, but you have to minimize it if you want to be fit. Because like, sugar definitely increase your weight. So you have to decrease the amount of sugar uh, as salt in your daily diet. And daily you have to do workout, either you go for running, and like, you do different things. So I mean, you easily see yourself in the mirror daily. You have to look yourself in the mirror. If you like that, you don't have to skip the meal, and you don't have to do extreme dieting if you want to decrease the weight. So you do, like, you take the healthy food, because we don't have to I mean, unhealthy ourselves. We daily have to do exercise if we want to make ourselves fit. So these are the only thing. And
Yeah.
also you can definitely, you can, I mean, never take the tobacco or say alcohol in your life. So small amount of alcohol, that is also good for health, but if you are taking in very extreme, and you are take in the plenty form, then it definitely harmful for you. You have
Yeah.
the, I think, liver damage, and some of the, like, you may have the cancer. So you have to, I think, minimize these things, toxic and alcohol or tobacco, these products, you have to minimize them.
कुछ ऐसी बात है
And
जो वो अकेले में करना चाहते हैं
you can take
अच्छा
you can take the guidance of some of the if you're going to the gym. Because like, in starting, what happened now, the youths were encouraging by looking the some of the actors as well as some of the bodybuilders, and they were going to the gym, and they don't know the correct method of doing the different exercises. So you consult a good athlete or instructor, because if you are, I mean, pick up the heavy weight, so you might damage your spine or some of the nerves. So it is better to consult a good instructor. And yoga is a very good thing, but if you have, I mean, a good amount of weight, then first of all you have to I mean on the monthly
Monthly.
basis you have to check your BMI, because by checking the BMI you should be able to know whether you are healthy, whether you are a obese guy, and you easily know about your BMI. So if you maintain a healthy weight,
Yeah.
so on a monthly basis you check your BMI and do exercise according to that thing, because you have to emphasize yourself only, because there is no other person like force you to go to the gym and do these exercises, because it is only you. If you want to make your weight healthy, or if you don't want that you will be suffering from any disease, or although you if you want to live longer, then daily have to do exercise. That is the only thing. Yeah, Dhruv,
Yeah,
over to you.
exactly. I totally agree with you. And the best thing that you have already mentioned about the food part, I think that's great. Neha,
Yes.
what do you think
So,
about
yeah, okay. So, what I think, according to me, yeah, this is very basic thing. We have to do yoga. If we don't want to yoga, so we can do a normal exercise, as well as we can do uh, cardio, like normal, which is including in cardio as well, like go to park and running, and there is a many more. Things we can do. They that doesn't need to go gym and join gym, then you can able to fit. So if you are just giving this type of excuse in your life to for fit, so it just excuse. And if you want to really fit in your life, so all try to ignore junk food and take good food as well. Also try to add more veggies in your diet, and take minerals too, like um, uh, and like lots of veggies are
foods?
selling in the market, we can buy and take, as well as don't take too much stress, and try to avoid the negative people who is living in your uh, surroundings. So just because I think all over things are connected with you, with your health. It's not just important that if you are healthy by your body, there is also a one thing mind, and both are linked with each other, like physically as well as emotionally. So we should try to get over everything like stress, whatever, and try to be happy. Then we can stay uh, long life, and like 100 years, like lots of people are lives. So we can do same thing, and then we can fit.
Yeah, I agree with
Yes.
you in terms
So
of happiness that if we are more happy, again the chances, it's only the chances, right? We can't say that it's
yeah, just
100% sure.
yes. Also, like first of all, I think the main reason of your disease, and lots of problems are coming in our body. So this is the only junk food, because
Hmm.
we are just, yes, we are just ignoring the natural thing and natural veggies. We just go to the and get habitual to the junk food, which is not good. And also packet food, like lots of children, even youngest too.
Hmm.
So we should avoid all of these things.
Yeah.
Then we can get a healthy life.
Okay. Yeah, Monty, you want to add something? And I totally agree with all you guys. Like Neha has also mentioned that we must need to be happy. Monty, you have talked more about the food part and I exercise part. So all these things if we are combining, right? And mostly like Monty, what happens if you have seen in your body or in your routine, whenever we try to do exercise or whenever we think that now I'm gonna do exercise, we already maintain our diet. We don't need to think about the diet then. We already started maintaining that what we had to eat and what we haven't. But if we are only maintaining the diet, that is how we can't go for exercise. So but if we are going for exercise, this is how we already started, in our mind we also looked at what should I eat so that the result will be better, right? And in terms of happiness, I think that is for that you have to learn how to live better. That is the only thing. So yeah.
And also I think if we are positive and we have the like a good friend circle that motivate us
Mm-hmm.
in this field, like to do daily exercises, and if they creating the positive vibes around us, so that will be also like a very good thing for us. We will even brighter ourselves by I mean living within that friend circle.
Yeah.
And like it is more important, like exercise is the one thing by which a brain as well as our body that works very faster, like we fresh our mind and we have the strong hold. If we have the good physique, then we have, I mean, a better thinking towards our future, or we can say that.
Yeah, I totally agree with you.
Hmm.